Welcome to the 25th World Robot Olympiad Philippines 2026 The Excel Olympiad.
Today's gathering is an opportunity to explore how robotics can address real-world challenges, improve productivity, and prepare the next generation for the future of work. This competition is also an opportunity to build collaboration, develop critical and problem-solving skills among our participants. As we begin this competition, let us keep an open mind, be humble in whatever outcome transpires, and be inspired to share our talents in robotics for our nation. Thank you, and I wish everyone the best of luck and have a productive day ahead. Mabuhay ang Pilipinas. Thank you.
To begin with, okay, let's have 10 all together. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
The 25th World Robot Olympiad Philippines 2026 Excel Olympiad is officially open.
I think this is really a journey for us as we continue to provide opportunities for our learners to showcase their brilliance in robotics and robotics technology. And at this point, I'd like to say thank you, and in behalf of Felta Multimedia, we just turned 60 years old since 1966, and we would like to take this opportunity to thank our students, our hardworking students, our parents for support, for our coaches, our school administrators for continuing to be the beacon of light for STEM education in the Philippines. And I know that this is just the first step. Competition is just an event. But truly, I'm sure that all of you will be bringing home treasured learnings and new friends from what you have experienced today. So once again, congratulations to all. Lahat po kayo ay mga winners because you have been providing the participation for your schools and your community. So mabuhay tayong lahat and God bless us all.